Hey, welcome back for y'all already know a quick little video. Now, let me tell y'all, the streets have been off the hook. The first thing that I am going to say is that Olivia, you have been running around these past 7 or 8 hours acting like you are tough Tony. I mean, hands back, hands back. I don't want no problems out you. I don't want no troubles. I don't want none of that because, I mean, you have been running the YouTubes. Yeah, you've been running it, you know? Now, Liz, so you went ahead on and, you put up a video or whatever. And, I was going to pull up, but you know what? Never mind. So, you put up a video, and the video, I would say, was about 4 to 5 minutes long. And I guess your Gerard's girlfriend, because I'm thinking that right now you are considered the side chick. All right, that's what I'm thinking. All right, but Olivia, I don't want no problems. I don't want no problems because I know how them girls are from LA. Like you tell me, y'all about it. Okay. Now look at here. So in the actual video, you said, yeah. Stop fucking playing with you, Gerard. And you told the girlfriend that as well. You also said that you would go ahead and transfer your kids on over to your mom's to go and sit inside of a jail for 2 years or so if you need to. All right. Now, what I'm going to tell you, Olivia, go sit your ass down some goddamn where. Because I'm going to tell you like it is. You already know. I'm going to get into it with you, whatever, but I'm going to let you know what it is. But I am going to pray to God that I don't get sent over there with them crazy ass women, fuck people up for real. Because, I mean, I can find a regular person out on the street, you know what I'm saying, with no problems. I can carry my own. I could go toe-to-toe with you. But you got these people that's, you know what I'm saying, that's inside these jail, these women that think they are actually men. All right, yeah, I don't want to deal with them. Yeah, I'm just going to tell you, I don't want to deal with them. Not at all. Not at all. Let me tell you. I was in Walmart one day or whatever, and it was one of them in Walmart. You could already tell she just got out of jail, had teardrop here, teardrop there, whatever. And the lady decided to go ahead and get in front of me. So my girlfriend was in the back of me, and she like, wait a minute. You gonna let that lady get in front of you? She was like, I'm getting ready to say something. I said, just let me know when you say something, because I am going to get out of this store so fucking fast. It ain't gonna be funny. All right. Now, simmer down, Liv. Simmer down. Liv, you already know that you cannot go toe-to-toe with anybody. I already know that when you, like you said, you are walking out of your apartment complex and you are walking looking side to side. Liv, you ain't doing none of that shit. You are walking looking forward to that Mercedes. So therefore, if you got to make a beeline to that boy, you are definitely going to do that. I mean, Liv, what I'm going to say to you is I don't think that was a good idea for you to come on here, you get what I'm saying, and go ahead and already threaten the girlfriend. See, at this point, what she could do is she could come, you know what I mean, fuck you up or whatever, and it's really nothing that you can actually do. And I'm going to tell you why, because you came on here and you threatened her. It is what it is. If I was a girlfriend, I ain't even gonna lie. That's exactly what I would come on here and do. I would come here, look at that fucking video. I would find out where you lived at, and I would beat the brakes off of you until you smelled like Downy fabric softener. That's exactly what I would do. So, Liv, I think you may want to go ahead and fall back. You get what I'm saying? And stop acting like you a real tough Tony. Because we already know, Liv, that you ain't no tough Tony whatsoever. But what I am going to say is that you better stop it. Because we all know how you like this Benz. We already know how you think this Benz is a 2021. Girl, you better stop it. You gonna come outside, your Benz is gonna be on bricks. All of them windows are going to be all broken. All right? And Liv, you know what? Ain't nothing you could do about it. Not only that, your insurance probably ain't gonna cover the shit because the car is so damn goddamn old. And if they take all 4 of your wheels, they definitely ain't covering it. So, Liv, I'm trying to tell you, you might want to simmer down. All right? Simmer down. See, a lot of people, you think they like real easy to get over, and they will fuck you up without a heartbeat. Yeah, fuck you up, put you inside of that Benz, and drive you back to Florida, wherever you came from. Yeah. Stop. I mean, Liv, I'm telling you, you are out here threatening and threatening and threatening. Now, Liv, so I watched another video that you put up or whatever. And in this particular video, you were talking about your boyfriend, Brandon, okay? We're going to go ahead and get into that real quick. So you said that Brandon has already met Gerard, and that Brandon told Gerard that you might be pregnant. Live. You are on again. What, people? Repeat after me. Your best bullshit. Yes, you are. We already know. You get what I'm saying? We already know what is going to go down. Out of all three of y'all, if you really ask me, or four, it's going to be a pregnancy winter. Yes, y'all are going to be running it down with pregnancy. Liv, you get ready running down with pregnancy. You get ready running down, say the CPS came for you. You get ready running down, say that she keyed your car. All types of shit. You are definitely getting ready to run it down. So when you come on here and say like all of this shit, like last night when you said something about the pregnancy, girl, we already fucking knew. We already fucking knew, because we already know that if it's not Gerard, you ain't got no motherfucking content. Not at all, baby. No content, okay? Now, you have been coming on camera, been spilling your whole guts and everything, because like I said, you don't have no content if it ain't about Gerard or whatever. But Liv, I'm trying to tell you some good shit. You better cool down with all them cigarettes, because you've been smoking them by the carts. I think you bought a bulk pack, you get what I'm saying? And you've been running through them. And you know, Liv, that nicotine ain't no bullshit. You get what I'm saying? I want you to be good with all your lungs, all right? Because if you ain't good with all your lungs, I'm not going to be able to come on here and make videos about you, because you're going to be stuck somewhere, you know, on some type of machine. But Liv, I'm going to tell you some real good shit. If you want, I don't, this is the whole thing. I don't even understand none of it, Liv, and I'm going to tell you why. All of the shit that you say that Gerard has done, okay, all of that shit you say Gerard has done. I'm going to tell you a little bit of certain things that you said he done. Okay, so you said that Gerard had went head on and tried to make an appointment with a prostitute or whatever. All right. So you mean to tell me, Liv, that you are feeling so loved that you want to go ahead and take Gerard back, and he is out there sleeping with a prostitute? That's what you said. No. You say that Gerard is beating you like you are in J-Lo's movie. You remember Enough? Whereas though when a girl was getting fucked up, she had to turn the light on and then her neighbors knew and shit. Yeah, that right there. Okay, that right there. If Gerard was fucking you up the way that you say he was, we would know. Because you white, you damn near white. So we would see some bruises. We would see something. The only bruise that we have seen recently, and it's making me think, was the bruised lips that you said that you got, you know what I mean, your lips done. But you was mad because the man got her shit done. All right, we're going to get over that too, right? So, I mean, I don't know. You got me sitting on a fence. You really do. And before I forget this too, Liv, come on now, stop trying to put your hand over your camera when your daughter walks in the bathroom, because we already know that you are not going to do her fucking hair. But I got you, because I'm thinking about sending you a hair care package mystery box. All right, I think I am. I'm thinking about it because y'all already know when I do shit like this, you know what I'm saying? The other people, they get so angry at me. And I'm like, what you angry at me? It ain't even about that. It ain't even about that. It ain't even about that. Okay? So this is what I'm going to go ahead and I wanted to get on here about with you. Okay? Now, when Mang came out, whereas though, remember when you was like, yeah, everybody did crack. Sure did. Everybody did crack. Sure did. Everybody did crack. Sure did. Remember that? Now, you were on here and you was saying Ming was lying out of her teeth. I mean, everything Ming said that you did, you said that you did not. Yes, you did. You had your loyalty game thinking that Ming was a fucking liar. What I'm going to say to you is that little video that you did last night where you was off your fucking rockers, you was off your rockers, okay? You said that you did not want to be with Gerard, and it's been a long time you didn't want to be with him like that. Okay, when Ming said that shit, you said that that was not fucking true, all right? You also said that that voicemail that Ming had and she played, that wasn't true at all. No, you came on here last night and you were owning up to that video, not saying that it was true, but all the lies that you had told with Ming, you brung them all up in that video last night. It made you look like a big ass liar. All right. So that leads me to believe is that, you know what I'm saying? You saying Gerard is doing this, Gerard is doing that. He outside your window throwing rocks. Brandon came over, him and Brandon, you know, seen faces and all of this other shit, right? That's leaving me to believe that you are a fucking liar. A liar. I mean, everything that Ming said, you owned up to it. You told a big ass fucking lie. Period. And the other thing too, what I don't want to get, I mean, this ain't got nothing to do with you, Liv, but I'm going to just jump on this real quick, is Ming. What I don't understand about you or whatever, you was able to come on here and make a reactor video. I think it was yesterday. Yes, you did. And then you get mad when somebody reacts on you. You said that it was just your opinion. It was just something that you wanted to get out. So yeah, so when I make these videos, this is just my opinion. This is just my action. And I just want to go ahead and get it out. Yes, you did. Yes, you did. So with that being said, Liv, I don't know. But Liv, if I was you, I would hurry up and get myself together. And if she did come over to your house, I'm going to let you know one way that you could get her sent on back to where she came from. Now, you got your mother there, right? Listen to me clearly. I'm going to break it down to you. Listen to me clearly, right? Keep your mother on the lookout in the window when you watch, you know what I'm saying, when you walk out and you go into your car. Let your mother know, if somebody pull up and jump out on you, this right here is what you say. Mom, if somebody jumps out the car on me and you see them through the window, what I am going to need you to do is go ahead and put those boots on that you had on in that wedding on that beach, and I need you to run. And what I'm going to tell you, Liv, if you tell her that, I'm damn sure, I'm positive that they are going to break loose, either run back in that car or either don't even get out that car. So what I'm trying to tell you, Liv, is keep them boots at the front door. All right? But yeah, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Later.